There's something about that motor with air going through it. Sounds amazing.
It has that nice just hum to it. Next room.
Okay, times?
173. Oh, I like your time better.
I don't think
I'm guessing.
I don't think you'll last it all the way to 65.
Yeah.
165. I think he'll be safer this time.
I thought even he said he wanted to.
Does he race out with it, Leanne?
Yeah.
He does, yes.
Yeah.
He said he was on.
Well. Come on, Jared.
If you like what you just saw, hit the bell, like, subscribe, comment, do all that fun stuff. It really helps us. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so that we can monetize the channel to help pay for some of this fuel. Oh my goodness, does that car burn some gas? So if you like what you saw, help us out. Some context on what you just saw. That was a very first shakedown run. This is a brand new, fresh build, okay? So we were kind of taking it easy. I didn't hit full throttle till half track, okay? So I had no traction on that concrete surface until then. So if you like what you saw, again, subscribe to us and watch the next videos as they come out. We appreciate it. Thanks, everybody. Take care.